PicMonkey, the ultimate graphics designer. Creating an amazing graphic design became a buzzword for social media and business marketing content. It is somehow a problem for many who are not a techie and a skill-seasoned graphics designer. For a beginner, it is most likely that a pro-looking graphics will aid their marketing and be an advantage for online advertising. But a user-friendly yet affordable graphic designer can be the best solution to fix this hassle. Great thing, you don't need to hire and pay for highly professional designers to make your contents look amazing. If you're searching for a convenient graphic designer to help you out, follow these simple and easy step-to-step tutorials and be in a designer seat. All you need is your device with an internet connection, sign up for your account, and a bit of your effort and time, and you can have amazing graphics for your socials before you know it. Open up your world of creativity and start a free trial now. Let's get moving. How to sign up your PicMonkey account. You can create a PicMonkey account without any subscriptions. PicMonkey allows you to explore their tools and features with a free account first, then you can subscribe to PicMonkey premium plans that best fit your needs. To sign up for a free account, go to your browser and search PicMonkey website at www.picmonkey.com. Click Start a Free Trial on the starting page of PicMonkey or on the upper right corner of the web page. You can choose to sign up with your Facebook and Google account or just sign up with the email you want. If you choose to connect PicMonkey with your Facebook or Google account, just log in to your email and password account and allow PicMonkey to access it. To sign up with email, log in to your email and create a password. Click the checklist below to receive emails and notifications from PicMonkey. Click Create an account and welcome to PicMonkey. In this step, you can now create your graphics, but the tools and features are limited only to access. To continue the free trial, just follow the next steps. On the PicMonkey homepage, you can see on the upper right corner of the screen your username. Click your username and click Manage My Account. You will be directed to your account settings. Click Billing. Then you will have to click Subscribe Now. PicMonkey offers 3 plans to choose from that fit your needs. Click the best option for you to try out its free trial. Enter your billing information. Click Continue once done, and you are set to go. Now that you learned how to sign up your free PicMonkey account, we will now tackle what you should try to use. PicMonkey Pro subscription allows you to use the following features. One-click background remover. Get rid of that clutter and save your time with this feature and remove any background of your photo at the push of a button. Create multiple layer designs, have your products polished, and level up your social media posts. With this, your products and social media feeds would surely blast. Smart Resize. Choose different sizes of your social media and business infographics. Then, PicMonkey would do the work for you before you know it. Whether it's for your Pinterest pin, Instagram story, Facebook ads, or cover and thumbnails, Smart Resize is your ally. Brand Kit. Build your credit along with your brand kit and forget searching for repeatedly searched logos, fonts, templates, or graphics. Keep your brand consistent and looking pro. Make your life easier when you create your branded templates whenever you want, with thousands of templates and graphics to match your brand. This brand kit can give you true blue followers with your social media graphics and all the other digital marketing graphics you created. Animate your graphics. Boring pictures, texts, or any graphics in your feed? You can now animate it in Pro subscription. Give those boring graphics a little twist, flash, and heartbeat instantly. Upload your fonts. You do love fonts, right? Definitely, because everyone does. From stylish fonts to professional setting themes, from bold to spine-chilling fonts, and many more, with Pro subscription, you can have access to all kinds of awesome fonts. Plus, you can be unique by uploading your special fonts. Over 8,000 vector graphics plus 3,000 new designs. Be in a designer's seat with these thousands of fully customized vector graphics and designs. Make those flyers, brochures, thumbnails, and other infographics with a spice. Template sets. This feature is your token to a social media friendly setting. Customize a template and make it readily available to multiple kinds of your social media content. Autosave to Hub. Afraid of forgetting to save your work designs? Put away that click button to save your files. This self-saving feature will minimize your work time and will be saved on PicMonkey's smart storage for all your designs. Download your graphics. You can download your graphics on your device whenever you want with a paid subscription. How to use PicMonkey editing tools and features. In this topic, we will learn how to use the basic editing tools and its features of PicMonkey. To start with, click Create New on the homepage and you'll see the following where you can open your image from. Choose one where you want to open your image or start a graphic with. You can import your image from your device, start with a blank canvas, templates, or collage. Whatever option you made to begin your graphics with, you will be directed to the main editing dashboard. On the left side is the editing toolbar. You can add more graphics on your project through the 4 icons on the top of the toolbar. You can search templates based on what theme you want by searching it on the template search bar. Let's try editing this template. You can add text to your template by clicking the text from the top icons on the toolbar. You can have a text filled with images with this text tool. Click Fill with Image and choose what image you want it to be filled. Let's try importing images from PicMonkey stock photos. Click Stock Photos and you will be directed to PicMonkey stock photos and videos. From millions of stock photos in PicMonkey, you can search anything you want and click Add Fill. You can adjust the filled image's fit and rotation with your text through clicking the Edit Fill on the Customize bar. You can also replace the image or delete the fill in the same bar. You can now customize your text with the Customize bar on the right side. Adjust the letter spacing or height, change the fonts, blend it to your layers, or animate it. you can add effects on the added text. And use the erase tool to supplement coordination with your desired design. On the right side of the screen, you will see the Pages and Layers bar. Here, you can customize the layers of your graphics. It should be unlocked for it to be edited and moved through. If you want it fixed, just lock the layer. You can drag it below or upward to customize the layer's order. You can do this to each layer you want to change positions. For the background, you can change the color or replace it by clicking the layer of your background. You can replace it with a background image from your device or from the stock photos. If you want it to be a colored background, you can change its color by clicking the color icon on the Customize bar. You can choose between solid or gradient to add effects on your desired color background. You can explore the editing toolbar and use it on your design. Let's try adding graphics to our image. Click the graphics on the top icons from the toolbar. You can freely choose whatever graphics you want to opt for your template. Based on what you've learned on the previous tutorial regarding the layers, you can just drag down the added layer for your graphics to supplement the design you preferred. Now we have a customized and better version of the template we started from. Easy yet amazing, right? Keep up enhancing your projects by trying out the other features and tools of PicMonkey. Conclusion: great graphics are a powerful aspect that can capture your client's attention and make an amazing impression on your business. PicMonkey, being a user-friendly graphic editor, can be your backbone in doing perfect visuals for all your needs. With a competitive market online, PicMonkey will help you boost your graphic editing skills and can help you improve your social media marketing campaigns. Presentations, infographics, stock photos and video, thumbnails for your blogs, brochures for your business, flyers, templates, name it, PicMonkey has everything your commerce needs. Visit now Estatoora website by clicking this link and explore for more related topics for you. Investing knowledge in this digital firm is a gem. So, learn more about PicMonkey and its extensive tutorials with this link. PicMonkey, the ultimate graphics designer. You may also want to enroll with Estatoura's multimedia course, Toonly, Creating Animated Videos with Ease course to learn about animation making and creating graphics with Visme for more knowledge in graphical contents. Estatoura's courses has everything your firm needs. With a wide selection of its tutorial contents, you can explore more of what you are looking for. You may want to invite your friends and young entrepreneurs to visit course.estatoora.com. With Estatoora, you can learn the right skills and jumpstart a career with our courses.